Untrue, the industry minister rejects claims he sacked the dairy board boss without cause. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Nadine McLeod. Also this evening, abuse. A government agency raises alarm about the rising number of children with substance abuse problems.
Devastating delays, part 3 of our Primetime News special on the autopsy backlog that has some people waiting months to bury their dead.
Take 2. Planning Institute changes growth projections for 2016-2017 financial year after rains and other factors wreak havoc.
And in business news, slow progress. First 2 licenses to start ganja industry in Jamaica are finally issued.
There's also the health report, sports and sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
We're asking some MPs are suggesting the government reconsider its involvement in a regional insurance scheme that would provide a payout if the island gets struck by a disaster of a certain size. Jamaica hasn't received any payout since the scheme started in 2007, essentially because we have not been struck by, for instance, a big enough storm. So, do you agree with the MPs?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us, Primetime News returns right after this break.